As a child, you wanted to take all your toys with you everywhere. As an adult, you have a toy box on wheels that you can still take all your toys with you with the 2023 Thor Outlaw 38MB.
Welcome back to another RV Bird episode. Today we're going to be taking a look at the Thor Outlaw 38MB. This has a full body paint. It is a Class A toy hauler with a Godzilla 7.3 liter gasoline V8 engine. A nice sized garage that you can put your toys in. And we're going to talk about that little Striker side by side in a minute too, so stay tuned. We're also going to go over the pricing on this and all the great features. Lots of outdoor storage, as you can tell on this thing. You can't beat it. Excellent slide out toppers, power awning with LED light strips, also a power awning on the back as well. So let's go inside and take a look.
So as we go in here, first thing you're going to notice is this cockpit. This is beautiful. Large window, lots of viewing. Everything you need. Controls from your steering wheel, the auto level system over there, cup holders galore on this. And look at those seats. They are beautiful. And both of these seats are swivel seats as well. And above the cockpit is also a bunk bed that drops down. So you could sleep a couple others up there as well. So let's take another look around some of this. Here you have your full dinette with the TV, cup holders in the dinette, seat belts in the dinette. It also makes a bed. And over here we have our couch with seat belts, and that also makes a bed again. You have dual ACs in this, so there isn't no problem keeping you cool. Large kitchen, solid surface countertops, wood cabinetry, large convection microwave, infrared stove, and gas burner both. And then we have our computer system here, and you can operate everything on this, including the generator. And you can set up multiple different settings in auto start with this. Run your slide outs in, control your lights, your air conditioners, your heater, your bathroom with a porcelain toilet, and the hot water on demand tankless hot water system. Fantastic fan vents up there, or fast moving fans. Large shower. Large refrigerator freezer, double door. So you got plenty of room to put the groceries. This is a 12-volt style. And those things are awesome. Get cold quick and stay cold. And look at that freezer. Plenty of room for pizza and ice cream, guys. So we go on into the bedroom. Take a look here. You got a TV, you got your dresser, your closet. Your TV also doubles as a hidden compartment, for those of you that did not know that. Closet space is phenomenal. There's the table that goes in between the driver and passenger up front, and the ladder for the bunk. The bed is a huge queen size bed with overhead storage. We go on through here into the garage. As you can see right now, it is set up with the couches. Those fold flat against the wall to bring your toys in, which we will see that later. You also have the 4-season doors on the back, so you can have screens or have them shut off. Your rear patio. Lots of room out here for the little ones or ever who needs to be out here. There is also an awning out here. We just do not have it out today. It is a little windy. The step that goes into the bedroom, which can also be retracted with a push of a button in order to give you that little more room that you need for your toys. The footwell has a drop down also, so you can get the wheels larger side-by-sides in here and show them off. This thing, guys, it's awesomeness. It's just awesomeness. You could live in this. People do live in this. You can take the family, friends on a trip. Really enjoy every bit of this. There's no hurt for room. Every bit of this is just great. So as you can see, we have a small side-by-side inside this Outlaw. And there is still plenty of room for a bigger toy. You can put 4-wheelers, 2 motorcycles easily in this. It does have the fold down bench seating on both sides that can also make a bed. You have your TV, your air conditioner, your stereo back here, toolbox, cargo netting to put your equipment that you ride. This thing is packed with the storage abilities. They're endless in this garage. So as we go around the driver's side of this, you can see all the storage compartments. It is just loaded with them. There is also the tankless on-demand hot water heater. You have the Cummins Onan 5500 generator in there. Your wet station. Storage everywhere. And then there is a fuel pump on this. So this has an additional 30-gallon fuel tank that you can use for your toys, or as a reserve and transfer the fuel from the fuel tank into the fuel tank of the motorhome. So, some great options out here.
All right, so we've taken a nice look around this, inside of it, outside, and other things. We're going to get to the pricing in just a minute. First, I want to tell you about the warranty forever you get. You call me, Mike Bird, here at Black Diamond RV and Oasis RV in Marion, 618-528-1330. Anything we sell gets the warranty forever. What is the warranty forever? That is a warranty that covers your air conditioner, your refrigerator, your stove and oven appliances, your furnace, your hot water heater, and more. All of that at no extra charge to you. No copay, no deductible. As long as you own this motorhome, that's included, guys. So, we want to talk about the price a little bit, all right? MSRP on this is right at $300,000, but we're not here to sell at the MSRP. You call me, Mike Bird, and tell me you've seen this on YouTube, and I'll sell it to you for $199,995 with that forever warranty included. All right? So, thank you for watching today. Give that subscribe, ring that notification bell, and don't forget to hit that like button, guys. Really need this. And make a comment. Tell me what else you want to see. You want to see other campers, brands, makes, models? Tell me what it is. Got a question on this? Comment. I'll be glad to help you out. Thank you, and happy camping.